Alright, so it's been pretty frigid for the past few weeks. As you can see, there's snow on the ground, so I have not been flying, but today that changes. It's a little bit warmer today, so I'm trying to take this opportunity to fly at this spot here, which you may have seen in my other videos. A lot of tightly spaced trees, which makes it a lot of fun, but also very difficult to not crash, which is pretty critical today because I don't want to crash in the snow and fry electronics. So we'll see how I do. Let's get in the air. Alright, if you've seen my recent videos, you know if you're seeing me again, things have not gone perfectly. So I have crashed in the snow about 4 times now, and everything is no longer working. So let's talk about the failures that led to that point. First was the most interesting failure, which was my goggles stopped receiving video. They just faded to white, and that was the first crash in the snow. I have never experienced this kind of video failure before. It was within the goggles, it wasn't from the drone. But if you look at my goggles, you may be a little bit less surprised about this problem because these are over a decade old at this point. You can't even change out the receiver module, and they certainly aren't digital. So maybe the FPV gods are telling me something. So after that first crash, I was unable to get the motors to spin, as you would expect with snow all inside the quad. But since I was already here, I just tore the quad apart, dried off the stack, and threw it back together, and I was actually able to get a few more flight attempts. But on the second attempt, I lost video from the FPV camera, and I know it was the FPV camera because I could still see the OSD in my goggles, so that was pretty annoying. Probably because it got wet. And then the next two crashes were my fault. I just hit Scraggle because I can't really see anything. And at this point, everything's acting all kinds of wonky. The GoPro got a bunch of snow in the side because it's already half broken and doesn't realize it when it has a battery in it. So now it's not waterproof anymore, and we'll see if it comes back. I can't get any video out of the FPV camera anymore, and the current sensor reads like 60 amps when the motors aren't even spinning. If I was more responsible, I would have just stopped flying after the first crash in the snow, but I took a risk and it didn't pay off, so here we are. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers, and I'm not gonna leave you guys completely hanging. So here's some never before seen flight footage from when it was a warmer out. So enjoy the flight, and thanks for watching.
So full of desperation, I can barely stand the rotation. I can hardly start to speak, I'm weak. I feel the past in my bones. My dream I'm naked and alone.